Today we are in Costa Rica. We finally made it here, and we are going to start off our Costa Rican adventure with a little bird watching / crocodile adventure tour. Let's see what we can find.
If you're new around here, we're Ben and Rachel. Earlier this year, we traded in our 9-to-5 jobs and beautiful apartment for 2 carry-on suitcases to begin full-time travel.
Have fun, guys.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
We started our adventure in Mexico at a stunning all-inclusive resort, where we enjoyed day-long adventures of snorkeling, swimming in cenotes, and exploring Chichen Itza before making our way to Tulum. Now we are here in Costa Rica, starting our adventure on the crocodile-infested waters on the River Tarcoles.
Behavioral birder, so I'm more into the behavior and the natural history than just the twitching and stuff.
This is where we should probably have a telescopic lens, but trust me, the stuff we're seeing is pretty cool.
That one is a different one. That is Inca dog.
Oh.
Oh, it's a cow. I thought it was
Oh,
it's a little one too.
Yeah.
Hey guys. How are you doing? Your first time bird watching, Ben?
I feel like I'm terrible. I'm like actually terrible.
You
I'm trying
keep
to
playing? You're
I
like,
can
okay.
like point stuff out in the tree, but then I'm like trying to find it with my binoculars. I can't find it.
It's on the very first branch that goes 45 degrees, just over to the left of it. Is that head high? You guys see it?
You're so good.
Yes. I think the name has
Cool.
What do you think so far?
Beautiful view and the water and lots of wildlife that's very active right now.
They were just explaining earlier that there's this whole database online or website online where you can report every bird that you've seen. Write some facts about where you saw it. This is going to be a very nerdy comparison, but that reminds me of like a Pokemon Pokedex. Got to catch them all. But he was saying that there are some very specific birds, the mangroves down here, that people who are big birders try to come down and see.
One captures the fish and the other one spears through it.
right here.
Yeah, look at the chest. There is a nail that comes out from his chest.
Cool.
Oh, Macaws coming up on the edge.
Oh, they're pretty. Wow.
That's a nice go. It's gonna turn. They're gonna come now.
Wow. So we were walking down the trail back there, and I was like starting to think, is this gonna be a boat tour? I didn't know if we were gonna like actually get on a boat, but this turned out to be a really cool tour. This driver's been great, taking us really close to like the shoreline so we can pick out specific birds. And I mean, this guy has an amazing eye. He can just be like, oh, boom, 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 and I'm sitting there just like, what? But he's so good at pointing it out, and like we've seen so many.
Yeah, making sure that everyone can see it, and I mean we've seen dozens of species today. It's amazing.
Costa Rica just seems like just an incredible place if you love birding or you just want to see an incredible amount of birds or just fauna in general. It seems like a great place to go for it because you can just see so many in just a few hours.
There's a nice crocodile out of the water, right in front of that log on the little beach that is being beat up by the waves. He's on the waves. Oh, the water.
Crikey. Ooh, look at him go.
Watch this. Oh, 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 oh. He's going after something.
Yeah, he sees something.
The lighting right now is so beautiful. It's almost making it easier to be able to see everything right now because the light's very subtle. So all these different birds are starting to kind of appear more from the branches right now. And also the landscape is like amazing.
I'm so sorry. Look at the iguana right there. Low.
Oh yeah, wow, look at his tail. Oh my god.
Huge tail.
Wow.
That was a nice shot.
Oh, that was beautiful.
It's lovely.
Yeah, he's big.
He's very big. Wow. Oh, look at his eyes. An egret. Oh my god. It's moving. Look how close it is. God, we're so close to it. pretty fast, aren't they?
They're pretty fast. He doesn't seem worried about it.
Nope. His eyes. Wow. That was crazy.
That was wild. We had the same idea.
I know. We've now seen, I think, 6 crocodiles and I think at least 40 species of birds.
Oh yeah.
It's kind of overstimulating in the most loveliest way ever.
It is. It's incredible.
What a night.
Oh, there's another one right there.
Oh,
I
yeah.
think. Another crocodile on the left there.
South is rainforest, and this is dry tropical forest. The river, which is about 211 kilometers, divides imaginary the dry tropical Amazonian rainforest and Mesoamerican dry tropical forest. So we are in the conversion in the Americas of both type of major ecosystems. So our biodiversity doubles up.
Wow.
We can well see here over 700 species of birds.
700.
700, which is more than entire Europe.
You guys, this view while we're driving back to park the boat right now is amazing. This sunset is just beautiful, and the way that the mountains are being lit up right now is perfect.
People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear. They will let you down. So we better stick together. Let's come whatever we're coming home tonight.
Hey Ben, how's life today?
Not bad at all.
We only need the two of us together. We only need the two of us
And right out
together.
there is the ocean.
Just to be able to sit on the boat and look out over the Nicoya Bay and just see the birds flying by and everything. It's just like, oh my god.
It's just
incredible.
validating of the lifestyle that we've set up for ourselves this year. It's just these moments that are just
100%.
so special.
Yeah.
It's just, yeah, you kind of get sucked into the present again and being like, wow,
This is what we're doing.
this is what we're doing.
Yeah. It's pretty surreal. It's a dream come true.
Okay, well that was absolutely amazing. Totally worth it and very affordable. It was worth the money and the time. These guys are called Mangrove Birding Journey, and so we would highly recommend them.
Not a gator.
Making sure it's
Or
not
not a croc.
croc behind me. But anyways, we're going to wrap up the video here. We can't wait to show you more of Costa Rica, and we will see you next week.
That's the caldera of the volcano.
I think we're about to be in a cloud in about 2 minutes here.
Oh,
It
look
is
at it
moving
coming over
so
us.
fast. Whoa! Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. I'm nerding out. This is amazing.